In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to create a .edu email. So here is the official way how to get the educational email. So the primary way to obtain a legitimate EDU email address is by officially enrolling at accredited college, university, or other educational institution. Also, there is another way how we can create this kind of email. You can go to the Google search and write this simple keyword in the search, create EDU email. And when you scroll down, you will see this website NEO email. You need to open this result and you need to click on get started. Right here, you need to enter your full name. You need to enter the existing email address and you need to set the password. So when you create the account on NEO, then you will be able to create the educational email and they will ask you what you want your educational email to be. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.